When I was first asked to do this piece, I was really excited about the shape of the tent. It almost resembles a window or an arched window that I see a lot in Indian miniature painting and historical painting from the East as well, and I was really excited to play with that. I also have never had work at this scale before. So I've been making paintings on yoga mats using like collage and painting together. In my work, I use a lot of textiles from India. They're mostly from my family, so they're from like my mom or my aunties, and I use them as a way to celebrate and kind of uplift our culture. There's not a lot of representation or visibility of my community in the arts. That is, of course, changing, but I'm focused on creating like a celebratory experience with my work. A lot of the paintings work as a form of healing for me. A lot of this work is about finding love within yourself. When I came across this title, Your Potential Self is Infinite, I thought that was really appropriate for college students. But I think it's important that people find that within themselves instead of looking outward.